I'm going to show you how to create a bar chart in Google Sheets. Make sure you have some data in columns here. We have sales, we have every single month of the year, and we're going to select all of our data. Sometimes you want to select just the data you want to graph. Go up to the menu up here, Insert Chart, and in Google Sheets, it's called a column chart. If the data you select doesn't automatically become a column chart, go over to this chart type on the right. You'll see at the very top it says line, then area, and then column. This column chart is a bar chart. If you want sideways bars, like going parallel horizontally, click bar chart here, and we can select bar chart there. And we have, if you notice, Andy all here, but we want that to be the month. So all we have to do is go up to the setup and change the axis to C. There we go. And there's a bar chart with all the months. If you want the columns, vertical bars, again, it'll be called a column chart here. Column, and there's all the months there. Just need to change it in this x-axis now. In a column chart, it's the x-axis that's on the bottom. In a bar chart, it's the y-axis that's on the left side. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets. Here, I want to show you a little trick, though I love doing this, is go to chart style, background color, none, and we can now put this next to our data, and it looks pretty cool. It sort of blends in a little bit more with that transparent background.